depuis ñu ñëw fii nii ñoom ñooy ñëw di xool ci lu ñu nekk di nekk ak ñun di ñu wan nan ak nan la parce que ñun ñii fi ñëw nii c'est la première fois ñuy ñëw Gambie xam nga te dëkk bu nekk boo fa demee si ñu fa nekk dimbaliwuñ doo mën a dem parce que ñoom ñoo fa xam te ñoom i tamit la même chose bu ñu demee Sénégal kon rapport boobu noonu nga xamante ni ñu nekk en collaboration et tout dafa war a doon loo nga xamante ni dafa war a continuer ñu koy gën a rafetal ñu bañ ko ñaawal loolu comme il l'a dit tout à l'heure il parlait de Babacar Diagne ak ñooñu ñun bu ñu ñëwee ba léegi ñoom ñooñu accueillir ñooñu simplifier les choses di ñu dimbali et tout cela te defe naa ni tamit nit ki buñ la jàppalewul doo mën a dem
te moo tax ñu ne ma fii ci liir balaa mooy ne fekk ndey jaajëf
ci mbagg kon yow dégg nga olof
am na solo trop
am na solo torop te loolu maa ngi koy rafetlu bu baax te maa ngi ñaan yàlla mu continuer dem si kanam.
Merci beaucoup. Liber, one thing I just want you to highlight is basically when you're talking about French in the Gambia, what they tell you is Alliance French, you know, the Banjul or Alliance Franco-Gambian, just as we fondly call it. Perhaps you'd just like to highlight the relationship that you have with them and how much they're helping in pushing the speaking of French in the Gambia.
Like the relationship between SFA and Alliance, it started in 2005 when Pascal was there. After when Pascal was going, he leave his report there. And when Martin came, he read all the report. He called us for a meeting, and we explained what our
aims and objectives are and what you do.
And what we are doing. And then we signed a collaboration with Martin.
And they have been very, very supportive.
Yeah, for the development of the French language in the Gambia. Because without us, they cannot go alone.
Yeah, that's true.
And without them, we cannot go alone.
Yeah,
so that's why we have to collaborate.
The partnership.
Thank you very much. Like when this program, this event is coming, this World French Day, Semaine de la Francophone, you know, it's 1 week program.
Yeah.
And you have different program in different activities in the whole week. Yeah. And they need SFA for the bringing of the students, so that we will bring the student, we will gather the student in different activities.
And you also need them to provide the venue and the small things that you will need.
And when it's time for the regions, they need SFA to go for the regions. Because they themselves, they cannot go, because the director cannot go alone.
So that's very important. I think that is key.
Yeah, and also in the drama group, actually, they normally provide us teachers, drama teachers, from Ziguinchor, from Kaolack, from Dakar, and also there's one man who came there the last time. He's a French man. He want to bring one sport activity called Capoeira. You know Capoeira from Brazil, Cape Verde, this Lusophone country. They are the one who normally train that sport activities. And the man came, he want to make that sport in the Gambia to be happen in the Gambia, because we don't have Capoeira in the Gambia.
Yeah, that's very
And we'll use the Capoeira plus the French language.
Nice.
And also a teacher from France called Monsieur Donald.
So in a nutshell, just trying to say that Alliance Franco have been very much helpful and supportive, especially if it is, you know, come to reality. Unfortunately, it's like we're running out of time, and so you just have to say your final words. No, final words are said by people who are about to die. Your last words.
First, I would like to thank you, because honestly, you are also promoting youths in the Gambia, and this is the second time we are coming here, you know. Merci beaucoup, vraiment. And then the other thing is, I'm trying to appeal to the President of the Gambia, Mr. Jammeh, to please help us with, if possible, with scholarship, because we really want to pursue our degrees in French. We want to become, let's say,
linguists, you know, people who can speak a lot of language.
Exactly. And then it's part of developing this country, you know. And the other thing is, I'm trying to appeal to young Gambians, let them concentrate in the French language, because it is very, very important. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, Ansou. Ndeye Fatou waxtam mu ñëw jàmm rek bëggoon na wax rek sa mujjanteelu kàddu balaa ñuy tàggatoo.
Sama mujjanteelu kàddu mooy je ne ferai que remercier ñi nga xamante ni ñoo tax lii yëpp am. Et maa ngi lay remercier d'abord yow Abdoulaye, di remercier tamit Ansou mi nga xamante ni depuis le début il nous aide, il fait tout pour nous. Maa ngi remercier tamit suñu ki nga xamanteni moo ñu indi fii mooy suñu responsable monsieur Senghor maa ngi koy remercier bu baax parce que moom moo ñu indi fii maa ngi remercier tamit un spécial thanks à monsieur Babacar Diagne son excellence nga xamanteni moo ñu jàppale depuis le début et tout sànq maa ngi ko doon wax je l'ai dit tout à l'heure et je remercie tout le monde.
waaw ñëpp daal Liwer, your final words in 10 seconds.
Je remercie in French. Je remercie tout le monde, le directeur de l'Alliance française, les membres des SFE, la cercle francophonie de Saint-Michel et M. Ablaye Badji.
Merci beaucoup. Je remercie toi. Well, viewers, that was all that we had for you on this edition of the Changemaker Show. Until I come your way next week Monday, stay tuned and do enjoy the very best of our programs. Bye-bye.
Merci.
Very nice country. Just sitting here doing nothing.
This is precisely what you've been looking for. A vacation in some exotic destination. Green and always sunny, amid ever blue skies, navigable rivers, and clean white beaches. Begging for a lazy day, you gotta be in the destination which brings together all these qualities. It's 2013 and time to experience the ultimate break, savoring moments that will stay with you forever. Discover the characterful delight of this smiling coast on the expedition with me, Ibrahim Ajata, at this time on GRTS.
Coming up is a G-Boss drama, next on GRTS.
Assalamu alaikum, Babi.
Walaikum salam.
Alimbara.
Alimbara, Albekar.
Sumol.
Bebeja.
Bakar. Sumol.
Bebeja.
Kota.
Era?
Yo.
Kota.
Ande.
Yo.
Ndolbe narata mantamo la pour que mol konte. Kabo korda kata korda ha.
Ali bunali ali nan de kan ta konde.
Kambe ko.
Ndin na dimbal kan konde. Dali dima kam.
Ko na do gol.
Ngo, dugal ta Allah hajul way. Ndingal nambe men kala. Tafindi nan jana kanan dela sokoro di kafo ay kana kondo. Albe dima kondo.
Yo mumbi je wala munyunde Gambia man sakunda ila bunda mu yayo ka pay ko G-Boss. Wolle mo wori lindi pour que Gambia banko be tama ka dum korda to korda. Ka lonko hadama dingo mo jelle be la korda kon. Nuwo bata je nyantalo ne la bun korda kono bun kono la bun jelle bije. Ni ya lon bun jelle bije nyantalo ne la jelle be la bun kono. Wo kola nyantalo ne la wanyo be nyaadile. Kamo mu abe nyaadile pompo lomba fo kolon lomba wo be mu kulati mu ya lon ko nyim be solari ngala pour ka lon nyim kama pour kam makoy wala mun nasilo to bar nin ka ciata do be ñoo fa xamlal wo kontiron nata wala kanja amanga kasiti wala nyim man ba nin ka ciata do be ñoo fa xamlal
yo bismillah altamina
nakeba
na
ko mi nga fo nu nyami kaca kita doron be ñoo kala mutalal
alkalo ya kala mutal
sefo ya kala mutal commandant ya kala mutal alma commandant ya kala mutal
wol be son bidu nga banda say fakila mbe mengela ale men fo comme malon teng ni ngalon ten den nda fala le ko alta bar say mbe mengela ale be safarol folo lam del
bangola da halu wodi
man malon ten ni ngalon ten den nda kam fala le bulu sa kam ba fala alta
ita to
ndomo ni ma jamel
no mo
muso